sklearn, utils, random, sample without replacement. Description. This function generates a random sample without replacement from a given population. It uses the Fisher-Yates shuffle algorithm to efficiently generate a sample without duplicates. Inputs. N samples the number of samples to generate. This value must be less than or equal to the size of the population. NP population, the size of the population from which to sample. Outputs. Sample a NumPy array containing the random sample without replacement. The sample will have a length equal to n samples. Steps. Generate a list of integers representing the population. Shuffle the list using the Fisher-Yates shuffle algorithm. Extract the first n samples elements from the shuffled list. Return the extracted elements as a NumPy array. Metrics. Time complexity on, where n is the size of the population. Visualization plots. Histogram of the sampled values. Fine-tune parameters. N samples adjust the number of samples to generate based on your specific needs. Uncertainty methods. Since the function relies on a random shuffle, the uncertainty is inherent in the random sampling process. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. The function may return an empty array if n samples is greater than NP population. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. You try to generate a sample of 10 elements from a population of 5. Fixes to challenge 1. Ensure that n samples is always less than or equal to NP population. Challenge 2. The function may not be efficient for extremely large populations. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. You are working with a very large dataset and need to generate a sample of millions of elements. Fixes to challenge 2. Consider using alternative sampling methods like reservoir sampling, which can be more efficient for large populations.